Hello students, how are you? Are you fine? I'm also fine. And hopefully you are having your pen and paper in front of you. And now in this set of videos, I'm going to put a few questions in front of you. And I hope since you are having your pen and paper in front of you, first of all, you will try to solve them. And only after that one, you will go through the video. Hopefully you are now to start to solve the question. And the first question in this context is this: in any triangle ABC, in any triangle ABC, E and D are interior or exterior points. So there are two conditions: interior condition and the exterior condition. First of all, we are taking interior condition, interior condition. So if in triangle ABC, E and D are interior points of AC and BC respectively, then two more informations are there. AF bisects angle CAD and BF bisects angle CBE. Then prove that this one, this angle is equal to half of this angle, sum of these two angles. So first of all, we draw the triangle. Here the triangle is like this. Triangle is like this. ABC is the triangle, and these 2 points D and E are over respectively. E point is over AC and D is point over BC. You may take anywhere these 2 points. I am taking here point E over AC and here point D over BC. Now we have to find the bisectors of CAD. CAD means of this angle, bisector of this angle, and at the same time bisector of CB. CB means bisector of this angle. Okay, so first of all, draw the bisectors of these two, and these two bisectors are having one common point F. That means they are meeting at point F. AF and BF are the bisectors, so they are meeting at point F. Now, according to the question, we are to show that this angle plus this angle, half of the sum of these two angles is equal to this angle. So in this context, first of all, we will know these angles in terms of the given angles. Let in this process I am going to name them. Let these two are x, and these two angles, since they are equal, I am taking y. So first of all, find the value of angle AFB. Angle AFB. So clearly the angle AFB can be known with the help of triangle AFB. So in this triangle, this angle is one of the three angles of this triangle. So angle F will be equal to, as we know, 180 degree minus the sum of these two angles, and here these two angles are very clear to understand. These two angles are these two angles. First of all, I am taking this angle FAB. FAB. Clearly, this is angle A minus this angle. Angle A minus angle X. So we can write here angle A minus X. Similarly, this angle is equal to angle B minus Y. So plus angle B minus Y. Okay. So now we can write to this one as minus x minus y a plus b. Here we know that in a triangle sum of all the interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees. So we can write to this one 180 degree minus angle C. So we concluded by opening the brackets as 180 cancelled out, angle C became positive, and angle X, this is minus and minus. So this was actually this. So this is equal to minus x minus, sorry, plus x plus y, minus and minus, these two will make it plus. Okay, so now we could know the angle AFD. Now we want to know these two angles, this one and this one. So now angle AEB. To write angle AEB, this angle, we can write to this one using this triangle AEB as 180 degree minus A, the whole angle, plus angle this. So this can be written as 180 degree minus angle A, okay, plus this angle. And this angle is clearly again, sorry, in this triangle AEB, we are taking triangle AEB. So this angle is this one. And in this triangle, this angle is equal to, clearly it is equal to B minus 2y. The whole angle is B and these two angles are collectively 2y. So this is equal to B, that means plus B minus 2y. So it will be clearly equal to 180 degree minus A plus B, again can be written as 180 degree minus C minus 2y. So when we will open the bracket, again we will get minus minus, these two 180 will be cancelled out and minus C will be equal to plus C, and this will be equal to minus 2y will become plus 2y. So dear, हम लोगों ने AEB फाइंड कर लिया. Now we want to know the angle, this angle ADB. So to know the angle ADB, we will use to this triangle ADB. For this purpose, we are using the triangle ADB. ADB. So if we using this triangle ADB, then this angle, that is angle ADB, will be equal to 180 degree minus B angle minus plus this angle. So we will subtract the sum of these two angles from 180 degree. Clearly it is B, and this angle now is whole A minus 2x. So we can write to this one as plus A minus 2x. A minus 2x. So clearly, repeating the same activity, we can write to the sum of angle A and angle B is equal to 180 degree minus angle C, and now this. So by opening this bracket, we got angle C plus 2x. So here we want to know the sum of these two, and process in this process we will add to these two. So AEB plus angle ADB. I think you have already got this one. So this one is equal to the sum of these two, that means 2c plus 2x plus 2y. So I am taking common 2 and writing here c plus x plus y. And look here, look to this result. Here we are getting that AFB is equal to angle C plus x plus y, and we are getting this result is equal to 2 times of this, 2 times of this. That means we can write to this as equal to 2 times to this angle AFB. So it can be written as angle AFB. So clearly now it is proven. Therefore angle AFB is equal to 1 by 2 of the sum of the angle AEB plus angle ADB. Hopefully you have also reached to the result, because you are having your pen and paper in front of you, because it is almost essential to go through any video first of all by trying yourself. And now we want to prove this one for the exterior points over AC and BC. In this context, I am taking another, mind it, another figure. Suppose that this is the triangle, this is the triangle, and we are taking a point on the exterior part of BC and 1 point on the exterior part of AC. Okay, first check it. What was the naming system? On BC, on BC and AC. E was on AC, E was on AC. So we are to take E on AC. So this point is A and this point is taken as D. Now, according to the question, we are to find the bisectors of CBE. Bisectors of CBE. In this question, I think this question should be taken over that page. So I'm taking to this one. Okay. So after copying this one here, I'm putting the question. First of all, first of all, take the seat below and then paste this one. So this was the question. So now look here. Here in this question, it is said the point E is in the exterior of AC and the point D is in the exterior of BC. And now we are to find the bisectors of CAD. CAD. That means bisector of this. Bisector of this. And bisector of angle CAD. CAD and angle CBE. So CBE, that means this angle. So we are to get bisectors of these two. Let bisectors of these two, and again just recall to the fact that these two are having the same common point F. BE, BF and AF. So bisector of this and bisector of this angle, they are meeting at a point known as F. Now again we are to show that this angle that is AFB is half of the sum of these two angles. That means the angles ADB and angle AEB. Okay, again we will find separately the values of these three angles and then we will add them. So we want to know the sum. First of all, we want to know the angle ADB. Okay, the angle ADB can be known with the help of this triangle. Let this angle is X, this one is X. You may take any. Okay, you can assign X or Y to any of them. So I assign to half of this angle as X. So these two are equal since it is bisector. So X is equal to these two angles are X. So ADB can be known in this triangle as ADB. So in this triangle, this angle ADB will be equal to 180 degree minus the sum of these two angles. Mind it. 180 degree minus the sum of these two angles. This angle is clearly this angle is clearly this angle is clearly B plus Y. So we can write here angle B plus angle Y, and this angle is now angle A plus X, sorry, A plus 2X, A plus 2X. Okay, A plus 2X. So we can write to this one as angle A plus 2X. So again we can use the same thing and we can write to this one as 180 degree minus C plus Y plus 2X. Okay, plus Y plus 2X. Rather, I hope here we took only this angle, so we should not put here Y. So Y is extra part, we should not write this one. Okay, so simply in this triangle, if we want to know this angle, then we should take this angle, and that this angle is equal to A plus 2X, and to this angle only this part, and this part is equal to B. So it will be equal to A b plus a plus 2x, and now it can be written as angle b plus a can be written as 180 degree minus c, and here y is a spare, it should not be there, so leave that one. So we are having now to this, and by opening the bracket we got c minus 2x. Similarly, we can find angle, this angle, this one, AEB. So to find angle AEB, again we will use this triangle AEB. In this triangle we can write 180 degree minus. We want to know this angle, so clearly it will be 180 degree minus the sum of these two angles. These two angles, minded, this angle is A and this angle is B plus 2y. So angle A plus angle B plus 2y. So again using the same thing, we can write to sum of A plus B as 180 degree minus angle C, because sum of A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, so I did it, plus 2y. So when we open the bracket, we got 180 cancelled out, we got C minus 2y. Okay, the last part, we take angle AFB, this angle AFB. So this angle, to know this angle, we are to use this triangle AFB. In this triangle, we will subtract 180 degree minus, actually to know this angle, we should subtract the sum of these two angles. Okay, sum of these two angles, and this angle is equal to A plus x, and this angle is equal to B plus y. So right here, angle A plus x plus angle B plus y. So clearly here, doing the same work all the times, A plus B can be written as 180 degree plus x plus y, and after, sorry, 180 degree minus angle C plus x plus y. So now when we will open the bracket, it will be equal to angle C minus angle x minus angle y. Now add these two. Now add these two. Add these two angles. Okay, because we are to know the sum of these two. We are to know the sum of these two, AEB and ADB. AEB, this one, and ADB. So first of all, we will find the sum of these two. Okay, in this context, I'm writing here. So sum of these two, ADB and AEB, will be equal to C minus 2x, C minus 2y. That means it will be equal to 2C minus 2x minus 2y. So 2C minus 2x minus 2y, and if we take 2 as common, it is C minus x minus y, and clearly this is equal to this angle. So this is equal to 2 times the angle AFB, and now we can conclude that angle AFB is equal to half of the sum of these two, ABD and AEF. Okay, AEF, AEB rather. Here this is AEB. So now this problem is now solved, and I hope you have already solved this problem. So we will meet in the next question. Have a nice day.